The Netherlands is famous for its vibrant tulip fields, which attract visitors from around the world each spring. The peak bloom period for tulips typically occurs from mid-April to early May, although the exact timing can vary depending on the weather each year. Welcome back to my channel Traveling MJ. Enjoy the video. The bulb region stretches from Haarlem to Leiden and includes towns like Lisse, Hillegom, and Noordwijkerhout. This area is known for its extensive fields filled with tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. Visitors can enjoy scenic drives, bike rides, or walking tours through the colorful fields. Check description for more information. Experience what it takes to grow and produce the iconic Dutch tulip. At Tulip Experience Amsterdam, you will be taken on a journey through the wonderful world of the tulip. Located in the province of Flevoland, the Noordoostpolder region has some of the largest tulip fields in the country. The Tulip Festival in this region offers a self-guided driving route through the fields, with stops at various points of interest and activities. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more travel related videos.